Now let's go to the next topic, that is wind energy. What is wind energy? The energy that we get from the wind is known as wind energy. Windmill use the wind to make electricity. Windmills are not like fans because fans use their blades to push the air, but in windmills, wind push the blade of the windmill. When the blades turn, the shaft inside the windmill rotates. The other side of the shaft is connected to the generator, making it spin. The spinning generator creates lots of electricity, which is provided to our houses. This is how a windmill works. The uses of the wind energy are: windmills use wind energy to generate electricity. Second, the ships also sail by the wind energy. Third, sports like windsurfing, sailing, kite surfing use wind energy. Fourth, the wind energy can be used for pumping water. Children, our state Tamil Nadu stands first in generating electricity from windmills. Now I will show you how water is pumped through wind energy. Now let's move to the next topic, that is heat energy. Let us understand heat energy with the example of water. When we heat water with the help of flame, the tiny particles called atoms or molecules of water begins to vibrate because of heat and released a kind of energy which is known as heat energy or thermal energy. When the bottom layer of water heat up, it goes upward direction by releasing heat energy. That means the energy flows from a hot substance to a cold substance. Atoms of hot water move very fast because of heat energy or heat, whereas atoms of cold water move slowly because of lack of heat energy. For example, if we put some ice cubes into water in a glass, water becomes cold. It is because heat is transferred from water to ice. Now let's move towards friction. What is friction? One object is moved over the other object is known as friction. Let us understand with the activity 3. Rub your hands together. You will feel hot because of heat energy is generated in your hands due to friction. Activity 4 is related to chemical that we will learn later in this chapter. So my dear children, do you know sun is the primary source of heat energy? Because the heat energy from the sun is used by the plant to make food. Let us move to the uses of heat energy. Heat energy obtained from power stations is used to generate electricity at a geothermal power plant. What is geothermal power plant? Geo means earth, thermal means heat. Geothermal means heat from earth, where Wells are drilled 1 or 2 miles deep into the earth to pump steam or heat water to surface. When the water reaches the surface, the pressure is dropped, which causes the water to turn into steam. The steam spins the turbine, which is connected to a generator that produce electricity, same as windmill. The second use of heat energy is obtained from petrol and diesel is used to run vehicles. We cook also our food with the help of heat. Fourth, the hot substances like iron are heated to mold them into different shapes. Mold means to make them into different shapes. The next, heat is used to dry clothes and other wet substances. You might have seen your mother drying clothes in balcony or terrace. Now our topic heat energy is over. Let's move on to the next topic, that is light energy. Light energy is a kind of kinetic energy that we have learned at the beginning of this chapter. What is kinetic energy? Kinetic energy is a process of moving. So, light is also moved from one place to another. Light energy moves in the form of wave. Light contains particles which are minute packet of energy called photon. Light energy is the only energy visible to human eye. Visible means that we can see. Light does not require any medium to travel. Means light can travel in air or water, in space and through transparent object, etc. The light travels at a speed of 3 lakhs km per second. The distance between the earth and sun is 93 million miles. And surprisingly, sunlight takes only 8 minutes to reach earth. That's a whooping speed, isn't it? The uses of light energy are: we are able to see objects with the help of light energy. Second, plants use light energy to prepare their food. Third, with the help of light energy, our skin is able to synthesize vitamin D. Synthesize means to make, to form, to prepare. Electricity can also produce with the help of light energy. Light energy is able to absorb through solar panels and electricity stored in the batteries, which is provided to our houses, which you will study in higher classes. Our class ends over here. Thank you and have a great day.